Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset your Excel settings back to default. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in Regedit, Regedit. Best match to come back a registry editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now before you proceed in the registry, I would highly suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, all you have to do is select File and then Export. File name, I'd recommend naming the date in which you're making the backup, and set export range to all. And then, like I said, save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you have to do is select File and Import, and then navigate to the file location. And now we're ready to begin. So the first thing you want to do is double click on the HK current user folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder. And now you want to do the same thing for Microsoft. And now go down to Office and double click on it. And right click on the Excel folder. And you want to select Delete. Select Yes. Now close out of here and restart your computer. And now if you attempt to open up Excel, you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.